welcome to you all. Who was responsible for framing the Constitution of India? Diwan Bahadur Sir Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer was an Indian lawyer and member of the Constituent Assembly of India, which was responsible for framing the Constitution of India. He also served as the Advocate General of Madras State from 1929 to 1944. Iyer was born on 14th May 1883 in Madras Presidency. His father, Ekpra Shastri, was a priest. He played a major role in drafting the Constitution of India. The main architect of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who also chaired the Constitution's drafting committee, credited Alladi's contribution. There were in the drafting committee men bigger, better and more competent than myself, such as my friend Sir Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. When the Constituent Assembly adopted the principle of universal adult franchise, Shri A.K. Iyer, a member, remarked that this was done with an abundant faith in the common man and the ultimate success of democratic rule, and in the fall of belief that the introduction of democratic government on the basis of adult suffrage will bring enlightenment and promote the well-being, the standard of life, the comfort and the decent living of the common man. Role in Constituent Assembly, he was a part of 9 committees including Drafting Committee and Advisory Committee. In the Constituent Assembly, he defended suspension of certain political rights in circumstances of national crisis. A.K. Iyer was an architect of Indian Constitution who was better than Ambedkar. Ambedkar said that it was bigger, better and more competent than myself and possessed knowledge of the world's constitutions and the Indian law in the like none other. High praise indeed. Before Ambedkar was inducted into the Constituent Assembly, Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, had invited Iyer for his legal expertise, even though he was not a member of the Congress. Despite his contribution to the drafting of India's constitution and amicable reputation as a lawyer, Iyer never considered becoming a judge and refused numerous such opportunities to become one. Following his tenure in the Constituent Assembly, he went back to his practice as a lawyer. On October 3rd, 1953, Iyer passed away at his family home, Ekarma Nivas, in Chennai. It is not difficult to argue that his contribution to the Indian nation or state have stood the test of time. 2 Brahmin eminent persons, one was Sir B.N. Rao and another was Sir A.K. Iyer, were played a key role to construct the Indian Constitution. They have played a vital role to architect the Indian Constitution. We means the Brahmin community are in a state where we cannot claim our greatness. This is our weakness or fatality. You are well aware that there is a proverb in English that is, the birds of the same feather flock together. But We are not. Yours affectionate, Sri Mani Sharma. Thank you all for watching my video. Thank you.